Hi, Scooty. What are you doing? Hi. You want to come out? Come here. Come on, come here. Come here. Come see me. Come on, come here. Come on. Come here, come see me. Come on, come here. Come here. Come on, come here. Step up, come on. Step up. You want to step up? Come on. You can do it. Here, how about this? Now grab on. Good girl. I know you're a pretty birdie. Come here, come see me. Aww. Are you purring? Yeah, pretty birdie. Pretty birdie. Hi. What are you doing? Huggy, could you stop? Are you calling the doggy? Say, come on, Huggy. Good girl. Scooter, can you say hello? Can you say hello? Can you say hello? You want to say hello? Scooter, what are you doing? Can you say, yeah, step up. Can you say hello? Say hello. Scooter, can you say hello? Hey, come on. Come on, come here. Come here. Hey. Hey, Scooter. What are you doing? Scooty. Come here, step up. Do you want to step up? Yeah, step up. I don't want you to fall off the seat guard. You don't have that good of balance on it. You're so cute. I know, pretty birdie. Yeah. Say, where's Scooty? Can you say, where's Scooty? Say, where's Scooty? No, say, where's Scooty? Scooter, come here. Come here. Can you say, hi. You want to give kisses? Mwah. Mwah. I don't let my bird kiss me, actually, because that's not a good idea. Yes. You're funny. Yeah. So, Scooter, what'd you do today? Hey. No, no step up. Turn around. Look. Come here. Come here. You're having a hard time walking on that. Do you want to go back in? You want to step up? Okay, come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Aw, thank you. You're such a good girl, huh? Can you say thank you? Say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Can you say thank you? Bye, Scooter. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Are you waving with your head? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye, Scooter. Say bye-bye. Bye. Good girl. Bye.